How to use the Marquee tool in Photoshop. In Photoshop, locate the Marquee tool in the Tools palette. It's the icon that looks like a dotted rectangle or ellipse. Right-click the Marquee tool icon to show other Marquee tool options. Choose between the rectangular Marquee tool or the elliptical Marquee tool. With the Marquee tool selected, look at the options bar at the top of the screen. Here, you can set the mode to New Selection to create a new selection. You can also adjust the feathering to soften the edges of your selection. And choose a style, normal, fixed ratio, or fixed size. To make a selection, click and drag on the canvas to create your selection. For a perfect square or circle, hold down the Shift key while dragging. You can also modify your selection by adding and subtracting from your selection. To add to your selection, hold down the Shift key and drag a new marquee. To subtract from your selection, hold down the Alt key and drag over the part you want to remove. If you need to move your selection, click inside the selected area and drag it to the desired location. You can also reposition your selection by using the spacebar while still holding down the mouse button. Once you have your selection, you can cut, copy, fill with color, or apply adjustments and filters to just that area. To deselect, either press Ctrl-D or click outside the selection.